Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Welcome to AI Hosting, the next generation AI-powered hosting platform that lets you host unlimited websites and unlimited domains on lightning-fast AI-optimized servers. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, no recurring payments, just a simple one-time investment for lifetime access. Let me show you around. As soon as you enter your account, you're greeted by a clean, modern, and beginner-friendly dashboard built for speed, simplicity, and complete control. Choose between light and dark mode anytime. Let's start with websites. Host unlimited websites, domains, and subdomains with no site caps, per domain fees, or upgrade traps. Getting online is simple. Choose WordPress, Laravel, Node.js, or a static HTML template. Enable SSL, connect your domain, and you're ready to go. Behind the scenes, AI optimizes caching, compression, CPU, RAM, bandwidth, and resource allocation to keep your websites fast and responsive, even during traffic spikes. Next, databases. Create databases for WordPress, Laravel, SaaS platforms, e-commerce stores, and custom applications. Simply enter a database name, create a user, assign a password, and connect your application. Moving over to email accounts. Create unlimited professional email addresses on your own domains. Just select a domain, enter a username and password, and you're done. With DNS management, you can add domains, create subdomains, update records, and connect services through a simple interface. Every website can be secured with free SSL certificates that are trusted and search engine friendly. AI-powered security protects your websites with malware monitoring, firewall protection, DDoS defense, and automated threat detection. Automatic daily backups and one-click restores help protect your websites and data. With the built-in one-click app installer, choose from 100+ web applications for your domains. Now let's explore site templates. Choose a premium website template, tell AI about your business, and generate a professional website in minutes. Next, AI Assistant. Our intelligent and powerful AI assistant helps simplify everything you've seen so far. No server expertise required. AI handles the heavy lifting so you can focus on your business. You also get analytics, uptime monitoring, global CDN acceleration, staging and cloning tools, PHP, Laravel, and Node.js support, Git deployments, SSH access, and AI-powered migration with near-zero downtime. Whether you're launching websites, building SaaS applications, managing client projects, or growing an online business, AI hosting simplifies web hosting with intelligent automation. Replace outdated cPanel hosting, shared servers, recurring fees, and slow websites with one AI-optimized hosting platform built for speed, security, and reliability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside AI Hosting.